Good morning, poets. Today we're going to take a little bit of time just to catch up. I'm noticing that there are quite a few people who have fallen behind a little bit, and so I want to just go over the big assessments, the big grades for the quarter so far to help you out. So if you are into our class, English 9, I don't know why I'm getting so many pop-ups. You are going to see each of the weeks. We've had 2 assessments so far. The assessments are 80% of your grade. So the first one is right here, Figurative Language Quiz. You will find it right here. You may take that test more than once if you don't pass it. Good thing to do before you take it, though, is to do a little review. My goodness, excuse me. Holly Peters positively played ping pong. What is that? Oh, alliteration. Okay. So you're going to do, what is this pop up? Weird. So you're going to do a review to help you prepare for that quiz. And again, you can take it multiple times. It's multiple choice. You're matching definitions. You all may also use your notes. The next assessment that we had came in week 5, towards the end. We had it at the very end of last week, on Thursday, March 4th. This was our 3rd time doing a poetry analysis, and I'm counting this one as the assessment. Wow. There we go. You need to think about 3 things in this poem. First, what's the author's message? Second, what is the tone? Third, what figurative language do we see? So you have a poem here. If you click on it, you'll get to hear it read aloud. In general, one word that this poem is about is, we agreed as a class, the answer is nature. The author's message about that word is that nature is what? What does the author believe about nature? The author's message is shown when the author writes. This is where we use our MLA citation. You will copy something from this text and put it in the parentheses. Then you will explain how that quote shows the author's message about nature. So you are finishing the sentence. Choose one powerful word or line. As a class, we agreed that the powerful word or line is to be one with nature. What is the tone? What is the author's attitude about nature? And how do you know that from the line that we read? And what words in that line help us to know that the author is feeling connected to nature? So do your best with this part. This one's pretty hard, I know, but give it your best shot. And then the final thing is to identify an example of figurative language. So is there a simile? Tell us what it is. Copy it down and tell us what line it's in. Explain how it's a simile, or is it a metaphor, or hyperbole, personification. There are many examples of figurative language. When you have completed all of these items, you will submit your paper and I will update your grade.